From the beginning, we wanted to create an all-in-one Divi plugin that truly supercharges your website building capabilities with powerful modules, extensions, and pre-made layouts. Introducing DiviFlash 5.0, the most powerful Divi plugin, reimagined from the ground up for Divi 5. Faster performance, zero shortcodes, and seamless integration with every new Divi 5 feature. Divi 5 is great, the biggest rebuild in Divi history. But out of the box, it's never enough. And with Divi 5 as the foundation, DiviFlash will evolve faster, delivering continuous improvements, long-term stability, and exciting updates. For Divi 5, our mission is simple. We don't just want to build an all-in-one Divi plugin. We want DiviFlash to be the only plugin you'll ever need to create a stunning Divi website. That's why we're building exclusively for Divi 5, a complete design toolkit from essentials to creative, dynamic, carousel, and social. Every category is covered, and more modules are already in development, with even more on the roadmap. No other plugin offers as many complete and versatile modules in one package like DiviFlash. Full control over design, responsiveness, and interactivity, with zero coding skills required. Looking for a quick start? DiviFlash offers the largest library of pre-built websites for every niche, ready to import with a single click. Choose a layout, customize it, and launch in minutes. Need a quick section solution? Accelerate your page building with ready-to-use section layouts, from headers to footers and everything in between. Download, import, customize, publish. DiviFlash isn't just modules and layouts. Its suite of advanced extensions unlocks new functionality, enhancing Divi and WordPress while simplifying your entire workflow. And upgrading to DiviFlash 5.0 is completely free for all active DiviFlash members. Already building with Divi 4? Nothing changes. All your existing DiviFlash modules keep working exactly as they should on any Divi 4 site. No migration, no layout breaks, no disruption to your current workflow. Start building better, faster, and more beautiful Divi websites without limits. With DiviFlash, the only Divi plugin you'll ever need.